Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in this daily newspaper of Wednesday, March the 3rd, 2021. The second regular Sudoku is a medium Sudoku, and this will be number 2410. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, let me zoom this out. So let's get started. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9, alright. How about a 2 in this row? 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 2 should be there. Alright. Then in this big square, 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those two boxes. There 2, no 2 in this box, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright, 2 in one of those two boxes. In the last row, 2 in a row above. So in that row, only 3 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. I think I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number? 1, 4. These 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7. No 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 1, 2. This big square, we have here 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. There are 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 5. Alright. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be there. We have here 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 1, 4, 7. Yeah. 1, 4, 7. Let me see. We see an 8 in this row, the last row. 8 in a row above, so in that row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Same like here. 2 boxes left in the middle row. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then. 4, 4. Alright. 1, 2, 5. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. And look, we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 6 and the 3 are missing now. 6 and the 3, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need to wait. Alright. Let me see. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5. No 5 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. Alright. So we have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I've now, 3 and a 5. I have not filled this yet. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Alright. 1 number left in this row for number 1. And then 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. Alright. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 8, 7. Alright. 6, 3, 2. Alright. 7. Let me think. 1 number left in this column for the number 6 is missing here. 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 4 and 3. I'm missing the 4 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and 3. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. Right. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. Alright. 1 number left in this first row for the number 3. Alright. Now we have 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 3. 4 and 3. And look, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 3. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 number left in this third column for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. And the final number of this big square for the number 3. Alright, finish in 40 minutes. Alright. I have moved the camera a little bit. Apologies. But we have solved this in 40 minutes, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the third puzzle, a killer Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.